Hey future bloggers! Blogging is thriving in 2025, and starting your blog is easier than ever. Let's get started. Here's a quick roadmap to get your blog up and running. Step 1. Choose your niche. Think about what excites you and aligns with your expertise. A good niche balances your interests with topics that people are actively searching for. Step 2. Pick a platform. For flexibility and a vast library of plugins, go with WordPress. Step 3. Set it up. Start with a memorable domain name that reflects your niche. Step 4. Create content. Focus on creating valuable, engaging, and original content. Step 5. Drive traffic. Optimize your content with SEO strategies like using keywords and meta descriptions. Promote your posts on social media platforms. Step 6. Monetize. Once you've built an audience, explore ways to make money. Start your blog today. Don't wait for perfection, just take the first step. Like, subscribe, and share your blog ideas below. See you next time.